Class 4 Maths, Lesson 6, The Junk Seller, Revision Worksheet with answers and explanation. In this video, important points about this lesson Junk Seller also included. Dear children, before start to solve any revision worksheet, we must collect some important points or important ideas about the particular lesson. Let's start to revise the important points about this lesson for a few minutes. After that, we can start to solve the revision worksheet. Points to remember. Multiplication is the repeated addition of the same number. Product. The answer in multiplication is called the product. Factors. The numbers that are being multiplied are called the factors. See, for example, 7 into 8 is equal to 56. Here, 7 and 8 are factors and 56 is the answer of multiplication, which is also known as product. Properties of multiplication. There are three properties. One by one, let's see. 1. Any number multiplied by 1 gives the same number as the product. For example, 50 into 1 is equal to 50. 2. Any number multiplied by 0 gives 0 as the product. For example, 4 into 0 is equal to 0. Number 3. We can multiply numbers in any order and still get the same product. For example, 12 into 5 is equal to 60. 5 12s are 60. So even if we change the order also, the product will not get changed. Multiplication by 10 and 100. Dear children, we must use some simple methods to multiply any number by 10 and 100. For example, to multiply a number by 10, the product is the same number with 1 0 to its right. For example, 53 into 10 is equal to, we can write same 53 and its right side we have to write 1 0. Another example, 429 into 10. The answer is 429 and along with this 1 0 will be added in its right. To multiply a number by 100, the product is the same number with 2 zeros to its right. Example 1, 35 into 100 is equal to 35 and 2 zeros on its right. So 3500. Example 2, 636 into 100, which is equal to 636 and 2 zeros at its right. So the answer is 63,600. Chapter 6, The Junk Seller. First, fill in the blanks. Question number 1. The numbers that are being multiplied are called the factors. The product of 20 and 60 is. The product of 20 and 60 is, this is the rough column. So here 20 into 60, which is equal to these two zeros at the end and multiply 2 and 6. 6 2s are 12. So the answer is here 1200. The next one is 10 into 623. So whenever you are multiplying any number by 10, you have to keep that number and write 10 at the end. So the answer is 6230. Number 4 is addition of 8s in the counting of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 8s are 56. The product of the greatest 3-digit number and the smallest 2-digit number is, the product of greatest 3-digit number is 999. Yes, 999. And the smallest 2-digit number is, the smallest 2-digit number is 10. So which is equal to 999 and 10 at the end. The answer is 999 and 0. Next number is 842 into 436 into dash is equal to 436 into 842. See, 842 is here, and after equal to also 842 is here, and 436 is here. Here also 436 is there. But along with these two numbers, which number is to be multiplied to get the same numbers? 1. Any number multiplied by 0 gives dash as the product 0. Any number is multiplied by 0 gives 0 as the product, which is the one of the properties of multiplication. Next question dash is the repeated addition of the same numbers. Multiplication is the repeated addition of the same numbers. Part 2. Choose the correct answer. Question number 1. Bobby earns ₹2 by selling 1 kg tea powder. So, how much does he earns by selling 6 kg tea powder? See here, 1 kg, cost of 1 kg tea powder equal to ₹2. Okay. And how much does he earns by selling 6 kg? So, cost of 6 kg. 6 kg tea powder equal to 6 into 2 equal to 12. So 12 rupees is the answer. See, for one given, many asked. So it should be multiplication. So we did multiplication. The correct answer is ₹12. Question number 2, 100 into 15. When we multiply any number by 100, the answer is the same number and 2 zeros at its right. So 1500, option A is correct answer. Question 3, the cost of one notebook is ₹7. What will be the cost of 70 notebooks? For one notebook, the cost is ₹7. So, for 70 notebooks, for one given, for many asked, that means it should be multiplication. So, 7 into 70 is equal to this 0 at the end, and 7 sevens are 49. So, 490 is the correct answer. We can dash the numbers in any order, still get the same product. We can multiply any number from the points. To remember, we can recall that. So we can multiply the numbers in any order and still get the same product. Question number 5. The answer of multiplication is called as the product. Correct. $52 and $32. Here Let us start from the second numbers ones place digit. So this is the rough column here, rough work. So 2 into 2 equal to 4. 2 2s are 4. Next we have to start with 2 into 5. That is second numbers ones digit is to be multiplied with the first number's tens digit. Tens place. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Okay. Now let us write the compulsory zero here, and then 3 2s are 6. That is second number's tens place number is to be multiplied with the first number's ones place number 6. Next 3 5s are 15. To avoid confusions, you can put 0 here. Then you can add these two numbers. 4 plus 0, 4. 0 plus 6, 6. 1 plus 5, 6. And then 1. So the answer is 1 6 6 4. Question number 2. 41 multiplied by 29. As usual, rough column here. Now first number 9 ones are 9. Next 9 fours are 36. Next 2 ones are 2. Before that we must write the compulsory 0, and then 2 fours are 8. Then add these two numbers. 9 plus 0 9, 6 plus 2 8, 3 plus 8 11. So answer is 1189. Question number 3. 683 into 4. Let it be the rough column. So 683 into 4. So 4 3s are 12. Okay. So ones place number we can write. The tens place number be the carryover. Now 4 8s are 32. This 32 plus the carryover 1, 33. Now we can write 3 here. This 3 can be written in this tens place, and the another 3 can be written as a carryover. Once you have added the carryover, you can cut this. So let it be the carryover now. Now 4 6 are 24. The carryover is 3. You can add this. So 7 2 27. Once you have added the carryover, you can cut this. Now the answer is 2732. Part 2. Solve the word problems. Question number 1. Sham bought 1 kg tomatoes for rupees 16, but sold 1 kg tomatoes for rupees 20. How much money does he earn on selling 1 kg of tomatoes? So here it is a buying and selling problem. He sold for rupees 20. He bought for rupees 16. So he earned the profit. Let's see how. Buying price of 1 kg tomatoes rupees 16. The second statement, selling price of 1 kg tomatoes is equal to rupees 20. How much money does he earns, isn't it? So money he earns is equal to selling price minus buying price. So 20 minus 16 is equal to rupees 4. So Sham earns by selling 1 kg tomatoes for rupees 4. Question 2. If Hari bought 10 kg okra for rupees 120, 6 kg potatoes for rupees 144, and 3 kg carrots for rupees 38, then what is the total money paid by Hari to the vegetable seller? Let's start to write the statements one by one. Okay, list out the statements first. So the cost of 10 kg okra, rupees 120. The cost of 6 kg potatoes, rupees 144. The cost of 3 kg carrots, rupees 38. Okay, here we must keep in our mind the total. The word total. Total is a keyword for addition. So total, together, these are all the keywords for addition. So we have to add these numbers so that we will be getting the answer. So here 120 plus 144 plus 38. Let's start from the ones place digit. Ones place, tens and hundreds. So 0 plus 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. 2 carry over is 1. And 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 0. Remainder 1. That is carry over 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So 302 rupees. Therefore, the total cost of all the vegetables is equal to rupees 302. Question number 3. Chotu was helping Babuji in counting the money. He got 10 notes of rupees 5, 2 notes of rupees 100, 3 notes of rupees 10. So the total how much money did he earn? As usual, here it is given total keyword. So it is a final addition problem. Before that, and 10 notes of rupees. Off is another keyword for multiplication. Let's start the first statement. 10 notes of rupees 5 is equal to 10 into 5 is equal to 50. And 2 notes of rupees 100. 2 into 100 equal to 200. And 3 notes of rupees 10 equal to 3 into 10, 30. So let's add these numbers. 50, 200, 30. So we will be getting 50 plus 200 is 250. 250 plus 30 is 280. So the total money he earned is equal to rupees 280.